Step 1. Arrange all parts neatly. According to the video, use a pry tool to remove the corresponding original vehicle components. Open the front hood. Thread the tail wiring harness of the side marker light through the original vehicle hole and pull out. Press to embed the side marker light. Step 2. Take out the wire harness and insert it into the corresponding connector of the side wire harness. Unplug the original vehicle plug. Embed the plug on the other end of the side marker light wiring harness into the corresponding position of the original vehicle. Step 3. Remove the sticker on the back of the black wire clip. Fix the wire harness in the specified position. Bind the wire harness with zip tie. Trim any excess wire harness. Step 4. The procedure for the other side maker light is the same.